Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about representation of integers on a number line. So in the previous class you have learned about what is integers. So now today we are going to learn how to represent these integers on the number line. You can take your book to page number 117. So draw a number line. You can draw a number line and mark a point 0 on it. Okay. So at equal distance mark a points. So the points on the right of 0 are called positive integers. So right of 0 are called positive integers. To the left of 0 are called negative integers. Okay. The positive integers are represented by +1, +2, +3, +4, etc. or 1, 2, 3 or 4. Similarly, the negative integers are represented by -1, -2 and -3. Okay. So if you want to represent, mark a point -6 on the number line, you have to start from the 0, you have to move 6 points to the left of 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So -6 to the left of 0 I have to move the points. Similarly, if you want to mark +2 on the number line, you have to move right of 0. Start from 0, you have to 1, 2, you have to move to the right of 0. So you will mark +2. Ordering of integers. So there is an ordering of integers. Let us see. Raman and Imran live in a village. There is a step where there is a step well. Okay, there is a well. In that well there is a step. Total there are 25 steps from the step down to the bottom of the well. One day Raman and Imran went to the well and counted 8 steps down to water level. So they went to the well and counted 8 steps were below the water level. They decided to see how much water could come in the well during the rain. So the raining season, the level of the water will increase. So they decided to see how they increase. They mark 0 at the existing level of water and mark 1, 2, 3, 4 above the level for each step. So existing level of water, how much water is there? They marked the level as 0. Okay. After that 0 they marked, after that 0 they marked the steps as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So after few months they noticed, after the rain they noticed that the water level rose up to the 6th step. So 0 to 6th step the water level was risen up. After the few months they noticed that the water level had fallen 3 steps below the 0 mark. So this is the 0 mark. So it has fallen below 3 steps below the 0 mark. Now they started thinking about marking the steps to note down the fall of water level. Can you help them? So they have got an idea of marking the water level below the 0. Suddenly Raman remembered that at one big dam he saw numbers marked even below 0. Imran pointed out that there should be some way to distinguish between numbers which are above 0 and below 0. Yes, they have some discussion like, so above 0 having numbers will have some difference. So below 0 also there will be one difference. Then Raman recalled that the numbers which were below 0 had minus sign in front of them. So they mark one step below 0 as, so one step below 0 they will mark, if it is 0, one step below 0 it is mark -1, then -2, then -3. Okay. -4 like that. Here it is above 0 1, 2 and 3. Now, so the water level is now at minus 3. So the water level is at minus 3. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. After that, one further, the water level went down by one step. Again, one step it was when now the water is here. Again, after 1 month, it went below the minus 4. You can see that minus 4 is less than minus 3. Keeping in mind the above example, fill in the blank using greater sign and lesser sign. So, minus 4 will be less than the minus 3. Okay, in the greater number negative sign, the greater number will take the least value. In the negative integer, the greater number will take the least value. Keep in mind. So 0 and minus 1. So minus 1 will be the lesser. Minus 1 will be the lesser one. Minus 1 will be lesser. So comparatively, if you see 0 dash minus 1. So 0 is greater than minus 1. Next, similarly, minus 100 and minus 101. So greater number will take the least value. So minus 100 and minus 101. So minus 101 will be least number. Okay, children.